This up. Wow. Wow. Smells so good. We have to try some of this.
個豬肉落去飛，拖一拖佢15分鐘啦，拖15分鐘啦，拖好啦，好靚啊嚿豬肉。
Okay, guys, so we're using a pork belly here that has been boiled for about 5 minutes.
唔係啊，15分鐘啊。
About 15 minutes.
呀，煮咗個15分鐘啦。
Now we're going to take it out to deep fry.
而家攞去上色先。
Okay, my mom's gonna put some, I think, dark soy sauce on it, and then afterwards she will deep fry it.
佢仲要送針啦。
Okay, as you can see, my mom scraped the pork belly skin there.
呀，送針佢先。
Then she's also gonna use some spikers to spike the pork belly skin.
呀。要煎佢上15分鐘先得。
My mom says you have to boil this pork belly for about 15 minutes.
炸一炸佢層皮啫。
層皮咋？
盡量炸佢層皮，等佢上色啊嘛。
Okay, so my mom said she's gonna be deep frying the pork belly skin, just the pork belly skin. Okay, guys, so this is dark soy sauce.
搽少少老抽等佢上色，上咗色咁啊，燒興啲油咧。燒興嗰啲油咧就燒滾咗，倒落去炸佢，等佢上色。
Okay, so she's putting some dark soy sauce on the pork belly skin there, as you can see.
Yeah.
I just saw my mom like making this, so I quickly took out my camera to film this. So yeah. This video won't be as good as the others, but hey, I need to learn how to make this recipe.
Yeah.
See, she put a lot of dark soy sauce to put the color.
Yeah. 得入晒，嗰啲顏色入晒入浸皮樹 OK。
You can see this pork belly has been boiled for about 15 minutes.
Yeah.
After it's been boiled, you scrape the skin and you poke a lot of holes on it, and then you put in your dark soy sauce. Hey guys, my mom is frying the pork belly skin first. You can see she put a little bit of oil there.
Yeah.
It's gonna be dangerous a bit because it's pork belly skin here. Dangerous, guys, dangerous. That's why you must get yourself a pot lid. 炸幾多分鐘？
炸佢5分鐘咁上下啦，炸到佢金黃色啦。
Dangerous, guys, dangerous.
Yeah. 咁要啊，你睇下佢耳仔彈㗎。
Because it's pork belly skin, guys.
溝多水嘛。
And you're using oil as well.
Yeah.
And also it has been soaked it has been boiled, so it contains a lot of water. So very dangerous when you put it inside oil there. Huge explosion just now. Look at It's not an easy recipe, guys, but after you make it, it will be delicious.
Okay. 所以冇個蓋幾咁掂㗎，冇個蓋。
I even stood far away because you can see it's exploding. Okay. First you switch off the flame. Let the oil cool down, then we can take this out. Hold your Also going to deep fry the meat part of the pork belly. 每邊炸5分鐘啊？2分鐘。Deep frying both sides for a few minutes.
差唔多啦。頭先嚟篤一嚿頭，跟住。
So my mom is spiking more holes on the pork belly skin there.
嗱，就咁樣咪得。走住。咁咪點猛火炸啲胡豆。好啦，掟晒啲胡豆落去炸。
So also going to deep fry that.
走有佢啦，yeah. 一次過落晒落去啦，係咁以走有佢啫，走有佢咧，佢冇咁容易爛咯。
I'm just deep frying this so that it doesn't break apart that easily. Because this dish is going to be pressure cooked. Because this meal, it's basically a steaming kind of dish over here, so it takes nearly like 2 to 3 hours. So we're going to put this in the pressure cooker and it will be done in about an hour's time. And my mom says it's ready.
This 嚿豬肉咧嚇，呢嚿五花肉咧嗱，咁一嚿分開，切開佢3嚿，切開3嚿咁啊切厚片，厚少少。
Okay, my mom split the pork belly into 3 and then now she's cutting it into slices here, as you can see. Chị cho con mày chổi chiên à?
炒一炒佢，咁啊到先你燉，炒佢落好晒味道，咁啊燉。
Okay, so this will be stir fried with the flavors and then we will put it into the pressure cooker.
少少五香粉。
I always wanted to make this dish and now it's finally been made and I can film it and I can make this next time in my next videos.
啲嚿夠晒厚，啲嚿有嚿好大嚿嘅瘦肉先，一個瘦肉大嚿。
My mom chopped up some garlic and ginger over there. Stir fry the pork belly here. Okay, now she's adding in red fermented bean curd.幾多樽啊？
轉半夠啦，轉半我準備咗呢嚿2樽，一共咁啱2樽。
So she's adding in 2 cubes of the red fermented bean curd. and some of that red sauce. So you just drizzle a bit of oyster sauce. And sprinkle some white pepper. Drizzle of soy sauce. 有咩啊？
糖，sugar，本身個落片湯嘅，落啲啲入嚟。
One teaspoon of Chinese 5 spice. And a drizzle of Chinese rice wine. And a little drizzle of sesame oil. Also half a teaspoon of salt. Now she's gonna stir fry it. Stir fry all that flavor into the pork belly and that. Look at that. I'm standing from far filming and I can smell it from here. It's so good.
Yeah. 咁啊，不過撈勻晒佢咁啊，可以砌碟咁啊，撳得㗎啦。Yeah， 搞掂。
Okay, just like that, guys.
好啦嗱，而家攞隻兜咧，攞隻兜即係放咗落去排好晒隊咧，本身咧係一件扣肉，一件芋頭，咁樣夾住佢嘅，咁樣，一件扣肉，咁啊一件芋頭咁夾住佢。
Okay, guys, can you see it's like one of that potato thing?
Yeah.
And one of the pork belly, and then it's just like dominoes over here. So
yeah, 咁樣砌好佢。
So my mom's putting it inside this bowl, and then she'll be placing it inside this pressure cooker pot. So basically, she's gonna put some water in the pressure cooker.
Yeah.
Then she's gonna put that bowl inside the pressure cooker, and then it'll become like a steaming function.
Yeah.
Inside the pressure cooker. So this is our first try doing this inside the pressure cooker, and we'll see the results.
Yeah. 咁樣夾住，咁啊，跟住到第層咯。到第層。
Now she's making a second layer over here.
Yeah.
That's the pork belly. Okay, look at that.
咁一嚿球咁派好晒佢。
咁咪剩翻啲得留翻第日再整過㗎係咪啊？
係咯。
So
一次過整多烹2次。
You can see it won't be able to fit all in this pressure cooker pot here. So there'll be leftovers and then it can be remade fresh.
Yeah.
This is for our dinner tonight.
Yeah.
Okay, so you place some water.
有水喺處先得㗎，冇水喺個冇 steam。
You act like a steamer inside the pressure cooker.
我擠多少水，應該差唔多夠啦，應該，因為佢啲唔索水嘅啲。
First attempt.
咁樣唔得啦，嗰啲一陣間派埋佢，放落去。
This is our Silver Crest pressure cooker.
咁就開啲食，有少少。或者啲燒扣肉咧，都要落丁多水，嗰啲蒸氣嘅。
My mom was gonna put some water inside that bowl, but then I said while it's pressure cooking, we want the steam be like going inside the little bowl inside the pressure cooker there.
落多因為佢冇汁啊，落多等佢有汁。
But my mom's gonna add in a bit of water.
Yeah, a little bit. Okay.
So you can make some sauce.
而家撳 meat 喎，撳 meat 15分鐘喎。
Okay, my mom's gonna click the meat function.
Yeah.
And as you can see, it says 15 minutes.
Yeah.
Once it builds up pressure, it will be 15 minutes.
Yeah.
Okay, guys, let's check this out. Woohoo! Wow! Look at that. Pressure cooked, steamed. Ooh, wow, check that.
嗱，咁咧反轉佢嗱，好熱下喎，個底好熱啊！
Very hot, guys, very
就呢
hot.
個嘢先幫我幫一聲整。
Oh, whoa, check that. Check this out. Wow. Wow.
好正。
Smells so good. We have to try some of this. If you like my mom's recipe, please don't forget to give her a like and subscribe to her YouTube channel, guys. Made some delicious dinner here. Look at that. Pork belly.
打個芡落去嘅。
Yummy.
整嚿大嘢啫，夾住先，我又飲緊湯，夾住先正嘅，夾住嚿骨，嚿大嘢，
係咪冧晒啊？
梗係冧晒啦，焗咗咁耐。
The pressure cooker, guys, made it very
冧，
soft. Look at that.
好
Look
正，
at that, guys.
好燶啊！你倒嗰啲汁出嚟，打個芡放落去，咁咪靚啲。但係都而家 OK 好味道。
佢講你啲 thank you 啊啲嘢啦。
多謝大家關注，記得點讚啊！好正啊，好正啊！好耐冇整啊啦，第一次整得好靚。
Hey, thanks guys for watching. Hope you guys learned something.